Welcome to your ultimate guide on mastering MEXC's spot trading platform. Let's start by navigating to the spot trading page on MEXC's website. Here you'll discover a diverse range of coin pairs available for trading. Let's explore the different order types: limit, market, and stop limit. Now we'll learn how to set trading parameters for your chosen order type. It's time to execute your first trade with confidence on MEXC's platform. Discover MEXC's competitive transaction fee structure, optimizing your trading experience. Explore the vast array of over 2,000 trading pairs available on MEXC. Stay ahead with MEXC's fast listings of new and promising coins. Leverage high-quality trading depth for informed decision-making on MEXC. Access MEXC's 24/7 support through the Help Center and live chat. Wrap up with mobile trading options using the user-friendly MEXC app. Ready to start your MEXC trading journey? Click the link below to create your account now.